Alright, so let's take a look at my choice of top 5 exclusive retiring sets in 2022. So when I say exclusive, I mean that's sold at a specific store. But you have to be aware with exclusives, that means that it's sold at, let's say, Target, but it is also sold at Lego.com and Lego stores. So if you see a Walmart exclusive, it's also sold at Lego.com and Lego stores. It's kind of shady that they do that, but that's what they do. So, anyways, my top 5 sets begin with number 5, and that is the Lego DC Batman Classic TV series Batman Cowl 76238. This is a Walmart exclusive. So, this is number 5 because you either like it or you hate it. I see a lot of mixed reviews. The people that like it say it's done really well and that the cowl actually lifts off this frame. So I think it looks amazing, but some people just absolutely think it's hideous. Either way, but it's number 5 because Batman heads, cowls, whatever, there's not a lot of them. I think there's only the other modern day Batman cowl, and that's, they need to expand. I think it's going to be hard to do a lot of DC Batman heads and, more cowls, whatever. But they're going to have to get kind of, uh, they're going to have to step out of the box and do some amazing stuff if they want to continue this line. So with heads and cowls, when I say cowls, I'll just refer to them as heads because they're all heads in my opinion. So that is Lego success, grouping the collection heads. Even the worst head is is going to do well because everyone wants to complete the collection. So if they do make some more, which I guarantee they're going to, this will be the one that is sought after because there'll be less of them. Because what what's with exclusives? There's typically less made because they're sold at one store. Now, obviously, that's not always true, but you're gonna look back, and the people that didn't buy it will regret it. Hopefully, this sells for like 120 one day. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So, number 4 on my list is another Walmart exclusive, and that is the Lego DC Batman Classic TV Series Batmobile, item number 76188. This is an awesome set. It's small, so it's great and easy to ship. That is awesome when you're investing and reselling. And this is number 4 because it's also weak in the collection. So they've already made this set previously, and I guarantee they're going to re-release it in the future. So that you have to be aware of that. But this is kind of the first style on, with the plaque, and if they make some more, that this will be an absolute grand slam because it's just iconic. It's the classic Batmobile. Everyone loves it, and it's a great price, $30. So this is number 4 on my list. Number 3 on my list is a Target exclusive. So that is Marvel Spider-Man Carnage head, item number 76199. This set is awesome. It just looks badass. If you build it, it looks awesome. If you keep it in the box, it looks awesome. So either way, people are going to want this in the future. And there's currently the Venom head, and when they continue to make more heads in the, well, we'll say the Sony universe, this will probably be the top head in my opinion. If Target gets exclusives in the future, then yeah, this one might get knocked down. But until then, I think just the badass factor, this is going to do really, really well. So keep in mind if you're buying this, the only flaw is these are stickers. Just keep that in mind. They're not printed on the bricks. I hate it, but regardless if they're stickers or not, this helmet is awesome. So, number 2 on my list is the Harry Potter Fox Dumbledore Phoenix item number 76394, and this is a Target exclusive. So, I put this at number 2 because I'm sure a lot of people early on investing, beginning of the year, maybe last year a little bit, they all thought, myself included, Fox and Hedwig were going to retire in 2022. Then Lego changed it, and they made Hedwig uh, gonna go another year with Barnes and Nobles, and Hedwig is retiring. So I went hard in Hedwig because Hedwig is super popular. That's a winning horse every single time. So I made the mistake of that, and now it's super hard to get these sets, in my opinion. And if you're noticing the price, yeah, Target.com just raised the price. So previously you could order them for $39.99, and then in store they were $49.99. So this is a bad purchase at $50. I'm just saying that right now. But if you bought them for $39.99, which I think I might have like 5 or 7, it'll be a grand slam. Yeah, 10 bucks makes a big difference in my opinion, especially when you're investing and you have no money. So, and if you're saying like price matching lego.com, I don't know if you've ever price matched at Target. It's a fucking nightmare. I absolutely hate Target. I hate their tactics. I hate how they have different prices online and in store. It's really shady. They shouldn't be able to do it. So, I personally have had no success price matching, but I was ordering them online for $39.99, and it was a win for me. So the ones that I have, if everything goes to plan, this will be sought after and probably the least produced set of these versions of Harry Potter, and that's just a recipe for success. So only time will tell. But either way, the number 1 on my list is only a Lego exclusive. And that might have already given you the answer already. So, number 1 is the Stranger Things Brickheads Demigorgon and 11 item number 40549. So this is only exclusive at Lego stores and lego.com. It is extremely hard to get because there's a limit on 2. And driving to the Lego store for 2 of these, it's just the amount of spent on gas, it's not a good play. But I believe thoroughly that if they don't make any more of these, or Stranger Things Legos, and no more brickheads, this will be a $100+ set, no doubt in my mind. Look at some of the Star Wars sets, the brickheads, it's insane. So I think Stranger Things is a very popular show. There's only 2 Lego sets, this one and the Upside Down, and that's why it's gonna do amazing. Plain and simple. And the price point is amazing. $20 that you can get more of these in the long run. It's easier, it's less gamble. It's a win-win in my book. It's super easy to ship. So I would like to hear your opinion on what you believe is, your top 5 picks of exclusives retiring in 2022. Now remember, it's exclusives, not sets retiring in 2022. So, let me know your thoughts. If you agree, disagree, I would love to hear them. So, have a good one.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.